Join me as we play in the inks once again and create something a little bit different. So let's get down to work.
This is Thursday Train, and like always, this is with Just Janice and art by Julie E. All three of us are doing another Eek Week, so we're kind of dubbing this the Squid Train. You know, squid like in when they get excited and have to get away from predators. Well, it was a pun and it stuck. So here it is, the Squid Train. And this is a little bit of blue. This is Baja Blue by Piñata. And what I'm doing here is I'm just putting down the ink to get an interesting background to start with. Try to get a little bit of wispy lines and some things to just keep it flow and to get an idea of composition. This is a different color of blue. I believe this one it's not Yonder. I'll look it up and I'll let you know down in the description. You can find all the products I used. Okay, this is a little bit of Mandela black by Piñata. And it kind of takes over here right at first, but in the end it really kind of works itself out. I wanted it becomes more shadow lines as part of the blue. And it does finally mix as time goes on. Now what I'm using here is 91% isopropyl alcohol. That's what's in the little bottle you keep on seeing that I squirt. And it's just to reactivate the ink so I can move it around a little bit more. Now I'm using the 91 rather than 99 because the 99% alcohol is very strong and it's not good to breathe it. So I'm inside for this one, and so just kept it simple, kept it 91. What I'm doing here is I'm just playing and with the ink and trying to get some nice wispy lines out of this. And I'm still learning as I do this, but I'm getting closer and closer every time I paint. I love the flexibility of alcohol inks. There's just a almost watercolor feel to them. You see me doing here, that's not alcohol ink that I'm putting down. That's blending solution. And what happens with the blending solution, it allows you to actually mix the colors that are underneath it. So it acts completely different than what you see with the alcohol. What I just put down there is some of the metallics that I have, and this is silver. And again, this is by Ranger. And again, I'm back onto the alcohol. And what you see there is that little tool. I'm getting ready to put some paint directly onto the surface using this tool. You can see how that silver's starting to stand out. Okay, getting my colors out, ready to start working with the add some extra colors. I'm just gonna put little dots of I think I went with yellow. This is sunshine yellow and magenta. And again, I came in with some more blue. This tool has a little round ball type shape on the top, and it allows me to control how big the circles get. And really what I'm trying to do here is just create some interest and some flow. I'm going to move up to the other side and do some work on that side now. And this is where I brought the magenta in. The magenta and the blue had some interesting reactions with each other. Came purple. Wasn't my plan, but I kind of liked it. I'm going to shut up now and let you watch, and I'll catch you again at the end. Yeah, I'm just wrapping this up, and we're going to call it good. Up after me is going to be Just Denise, followed by Art by Julie E. So I hope you'll stick around, see what they come up with. Let's take you down for a real quick, slow, and easy.
If you'd like to help, leave a like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications of future videos. It really does help, and it's absolutely free.
I want to thank you very much for being here today, and I really do hope you got something out of this. So until next time, bye for now.